Hey everybody, Chuck here from PMH Sawmill. What we're doing here today is we're cutting a log that won't fit on my standard band mill. So we're using what's called an Alaskan chainsaw mill. Essentially what that is an apparatus that clamps onto the bar of your chainsaw. And with a little bit of rigging with a ladder and some straight edge boards, you're able to get your first cuts off the log, and then you'll be able to remove the rigging and start cutting right off of that last cut on the flat edge. So here what we're doing is cutting that first one, which already has the ladder installed. And you can see we put shims in there to keep that board from pinching the bar. Taking that ladder off and the boards that were holding the ladder level. That piece I just removed, that'll get used for different projects, possibly putting it on a lathe for turning balls and whatnot. You can see how smooth that cut is from just a chainsaw. It's a 10-degree ripping blade that we're using on a 52-inch bar. So here now the apparatus just rides along the flat edge of the previous cut, and I've lowered the rail so that I'm only cutting a 2-inch thick piece of wood. Now it's just a matter of working our way through this piece, shimming it along the way so we don't pinch the bar. This time lapse is about 10 to 15 minutes to make one. We don't want to bore you with all that. And there it is, we got through. Take it off so you can see what it looks like. There it is. Beautiful cut. I'll continue doing the same process throughout. And that's it. Thanks for watching.